Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this Quick Win Wednesday. In this video we're going to talk about how to play around with the visibility of attributes on a model. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright, so I have this little test command here which is doing a very basic thing. It's grabbing the first user in the database and it outputs it as an array. So if I run this code, I get the first user in the database outputted to my CLI here with a name, first name, email, and all the things. But the thing that we're missing here is the password. And that's because the password is marked as a hidden field, like so. To see the password, we can comment out password from the hidden fields, rerun the code, and the password will be inside here. We can also do the opposite. For example, if we only want the name to be visible, we can comment out the complete protected hidden section. We can make a visible section, and for example I want the name to be visible, and as you can think, the name will be the only thing that is visible at this moment. Well, I'm just going to comment out all this again and put the hidden back, and also the password. So if I rerun this again, I have the same thing as before. But you know what? I want to also the email verified add thing. I want to have this one also in the hidden fields, but only for this output. We can do that by setting setHidden, and this will take an array like so. So I want to output the user as an array, but I want to set hidden the email verified add. If I run this code, I can now see that the email verified add isn't included, but the password and the remembered token is, even though it is in the protected hidden. Well, that's because the set hidden is actually overriding the hidden on the model, the hidden attribute on the model. So we can actually change this to makeHidden. What this does, it will append email verified add to the protected hidden on the model. If we run this, save that and run again, we now have the email verified add, the password, and the remembered token hidden. That's actually what we wanted. We can also do the opposite thing. We can set visible here, like so, and a name, for example. We only have the name here, but for example, again, if we swap this around, which will have the name and, for example, the created add I want to do. Whoops. We are going to override the created add, and if we make visible, there we go, we added the created add to the visible protected attribute on the model. Alright, so that's how you can play around with visibility of attributes on models by appending or overriding the hidden and the visible protected fields on your model. Yeah, I hope you learned something from this, and I should say like and subscribe, and if you want to see more of these kind of videos, hit that comments down below and hit that bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Take care. Bye bye.